Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. I know a lot of you have been curious, asking where I've been for a while. And yeah, I've just been making some profits, trying to get a new whip. I hope you guys like the McLaren. I'll have some nice vlog videos for you for that almost every day of the week. And now we're back. I'll start scalping my account more often now. I stopped scalping for a while. I took some profits, took some break. But we'll start having scalp videos almost every day. I'll show you how I'm scalping my account. We started the account with $250. We grew it to over 80k. We made over 80k profits. I've withdrawn about 50k from the account so far. So with what is left, I'm going to make another withdrawal and we'll make the account small again. And yeah, if you want to copy my trades, you want to connect to my account, join the free Telegram group, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $500 to be able to connect to my account. I'll be hedging the account, so you have nothing to lose. You need minimum $500, and message me copy, okay, or PAMM on Telegram, so I know exactly what you're messaging me for. With that being said, you can also test my free daily signals in the VIP group, where I'll be giving the entry, the exits, the stop loss, everything that you need to be making profit every month. You'll be able to test the system for 3 months at least. And remember, if you want to learn how to use hedging, because you can use the free signals, then if you know how to use hedging, which will make your trades more powerful, because you won't be losing any trade, just like I do, then you can go to hedgingmastermind.com to learn how to hedge your account. With that being said, we'll be going into scalping video, and we'll see what we can find today for scalping. Hope you guys like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell on. If you have any questions, message me on Telegram. Remember to join the free Telegram group. We have over 5,000. Yeah, we have over 5,000 members in the Telegram group, and we're trying to get it to over 10,000 to 15,000 members. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bells on. Make sure the notification bells are on, because that's how you get the alert. Sometimes the video uploads and you don't want to miss the new videos that I'm going to be putting. Like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bells on and join the free Telegram group. To copy my trades for free, message me trial on Telegram to connect to my account directly, and I will hedge the account also, so you have nothing to lose. Message me copy or PAMM. And if you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com and we'll be right back soon. Yes, sir. Hey guys, it's Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. As you can see, we're back scalping this account. Remember, we started this account with $250. I'm going to use about 10 lot size and taking a sell here. As you can see, my software has shown me an opportunity for a system B sell. So we're going to go for a few pips, okay, and make about over $600 profit, set my target there. If you're a student, you should know what a system B trade is. I teach my students live. We go and take live trades like this. You'll be joining me on Zoom or in person. And yeah, my exit strategy is hedging. My software shows me when and where to buy, when and where to sell, when and where to exit, where to hedge. Also, you'll be shown this live. You get it with the course. And yeah, we started this account with $250. We took it to over $90,000 in profit. We've withdrawn most of this profit, and I decided to start scalping the account again, but this time I'm going to start with around 20,000. And I'll take you on another journey of scalping again. And we're going to be having vlog videos also. We're going to be taking the McLaren out. We're going to be going to nice places, having nice discussions. If you have anything you want me to talk about, put that in the comment section for a video. And remember, if you want to test my trades, like you want to get free VIP signals, because I have VIP signals. If you want to get them, you can go to hedgingmastermind.com. If you want to buy the course, you can go to hedgingmastermind.com. But if you want to test the signals for 3 months for free, message me trial on Telegram. Remember to join the Telegram group. We are up over 5,000 members. And yeah, join and message me trial. All right, guys, and we're back. As you can see, we already made over almost $700 in profit. Okay, the market was going all the way up, and just like I say, if I say the market must go down, it must go down. If I say the market must go up, it must go up. This is what I teach live. Yeah, so we made $700 profit. Remember, if you want to test my signals for free, message me trial on Telegram, link in description below. And yeah, we're going to start doing the copy trade and the PAMM. That means you connect to my account, you copy your trades. I'm going to be using hedging as an exit strategy, so you have nothing to lose, nothing to risk by connecting to your account. We're going to be making some profits. You take 90% of the profits on a monthly basis. I'll take 10% of the profits on a monthly basis. So whatever we make, you take 90%, I take 10%. And yeah, if you have any questions, if there's anything you'd like to know, any type of video you want to see, scalping, swing trading, hedging, put that in the comment section. Anything you want me to talk about, any systems you want me to test. I don't use indicators, I don't use support and resistance, I don't use moving averages, I don't use any of these things. I simply trade price. My software does all the analysis for me. You get the software free with the course also, but if you just want to get the software, you can get it at hedgingmastermind.com. And make sure to join the free Telegram group. We're trying to get to 10,000, over 10,000 members before the end of this year. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be right back with another scalping video soon.